Welcome everybody. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 561. Let's show the time here in Toronto, Ontario, Canada by refreshing. It is now 12:03 a.m. my friends. That means we are 3 or 4 minutes after Winnipeg would have sold, which was the last team to sell for box break number 561. We've gathered all the information and we are ready to go. This ended Wednesday, July the 13th for one box of Series 2 Hobby. It happens to be box 8 of 12 from case number 4. And boxes 9 and 10 go tomorrow night, so hopefully we see you then. If you open up the description of the team that you bought, the rules and how it works are all there listed. In addition to that, you'll see this. Case number 4, box 8 of 12, and that serial number. Why that serial number is important is because that's the same serial number of the box I'm looking at in front of me. We'll be sure to show that same serial number before we open up the box. If you haven't already, please subscribe to 1313 Milan Soccer on YouTube. If not, it's okay. I always send the video link via eBay messaging. Let's use Chthonic1409 as an example, and we'll go over the rules really quickly. In this box break, he owns the Hurricanes, the Blackhawks, the Stars, the Canadiens, the Devils, the Rangers, the Senators, and the Sharks. I'm going to open up this box. There's 24 packs. Each pack contains a hit, and only that hit is the card that gets mailed out. So if there are any Dallas Star hits, I'm going to package them up and mail them to Chthonic1409 to a shipping address on file. In the unfortunate event, however, that there are no Dallas Star hits, I'm still going to mark it as shipped on eBay. However, nothing physically is going to be mailed to Chthonic because there was nothing to mail. That's how box breaks work. I know we paid 65 cents shipping and handling, but that is a small collection from everyone for the ever-growing costs of packaging, product, and postage that needs to go with Series 2. Email me with any questions you may have. Let's get to it. Chowder Style owns the Red Wings, Chthonic, Hurricanes, Blackhawks, Stars, Canadiens, Devils, Rangers, Senators, and Sharks. Devin has the Bruins, the Sabres, the Wild, the Islanders, the Flyers, the Penguins, the Kraken, the Lightning, and the Leafs. Don Guzman has the Panthers and the Jets. Flaming Dragon has the Knights. McClare has the Jackets. And our Zero has the Flames, the Blues, and the Capitals. Nuxelkman has the Coyotes, the Predators, and Canucks. Cellar Genie has the Ducks. South Shore has the Avalanche. And rounding us out, Steve Kellis has the Edmonton Oilers and the LA Kings. So let's remember that serial number, 474455, as I bring you guys over to the webcam. And before we open it, let's show that. 474455, clear as day, as promised, as advertised, and now being delivered. Good luck, my friends. This is box break number 561, case number 4, box 8 of 12. Well, they put the saran wrap on tight. They put this seal on tight. Maybe they're hiding something in here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hope for the best. I really do hope. Nothing but big bangers for you guys. Case has been decent. Still feel there's something to give. Here we go. Our first hit is a Marquee Rookies of Cole Perfetti. For your Winnipeg Jets. A upper deck canvas of Timo Solani for your Winnipeg Jets. Wow, a nice little legend card. Congratulations, Winnipeg. Back-to-back hits, by the way. Marquee Rookies of Parker Kelly. Going to your Ottawa Senators. A Fluorescence Bear Boulay going for your Tampa Bay Lightning. And there's a Young Gun behind that card too. So that's going to Tampa Bay. And the young gun behind is a Jonas Roundberg for your Vegas Golden Knights. 25 hits to go out in this box. A Niels Lundqvist, New York Rangers, marquee rookies, blue variation. A marquee rookies of Daniel Walcott for your Tampa Bay Lightning. A marquee rookies of Maskikish Shushko for your Philadelphia Flyers. A Cole Perfetti, Young Guns for your Winnipeg Jets. Very nice. There's the hit. A variant Francais of Dylan Dubé. You can see it's variant Francais. 2 of these per box. This one going to your Calgary Flames. The upper deck canvas of Roman Josi going to your Preds. A Taylor Radish upper deck portrait rookies going to your Tampa Bay Lightning. Oh, right, a focus. Let's see if I can get the focus in here. There we go. Young Guns, Mason Gersten for your New Jersey Devils. A Superstar Honor Roll of Kalen Addison for your Wild. A marquee rookies of Marian Studenik for your New Jersey Devils. Just going to hit the cursor here so we don't time out. A Oscar Steen, Boston Bruins, Young Guns. A marquee rookies of Sampo Ranta going to your Colorado Avalanche. Upper deck canvas of Zach Orinsky going to your Columbus Blue Jackets. A Superstar Honor Roll of Bear Boulay going to your Tampa Bay Lightning. A Upper Deck Portrait Rookies of Jonathan Dallin going to your San Jose Sharks. Young Guns, Boris Kachuk going to your Tampa Bay Lightning. There it is. A Variant Francais, Chris Letang for your Pittsburgh Penguins. 3 packs to go. And bear with me at the end. I always sign off with the time. Oh, we have a nice rookie material card coming up. Wow. For your Detroit Red Wings, a Lucas Raymond rookie materials jersey. Very nice. Congratulations, Detroit. I always show the last hit with the last pack, who owns it, and sign off at the time. That completes and closes the break and the integrity. A Thatcher Demko Upper Deck Canvas going to your Canucks. Final pack, final hit, final card to be mailed out goes to, as a Young Gun of Carol Valyemka, Young Guns going to your Arizona Coyotes. Nice card. So I'm going to bring you guys back to the main screen and show who owns the Arizona Coyotes. And then we will sign off with the time. So let me get you guys back here. Find Arizona, Arizona, Arizona. Did I miss it? Arizona, Arizona, Arizona. There we are. Next one come in owns that last Young Gun hit. Time now is, let's just hit refresh, 12:15 a.m. my friends. Thanks for joining the break, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow night as we do boxes 9 and 10. Good night.